Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad Neo, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now all we have to do is to enter the settings which are in this upper panel. So let's tap on it. Here we've got the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English. So let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. You can scroll, or you can simply tap on the search icon and enter the name of the language. Let me choose Arabic, as I'd like to show you the actual difference between the layouts. So let's tap on Arabic, choose the region, for example this one. After tapping on it, you will be transferred to this section where you can choose the keyboard layouts, and the amount of them depends on the language actually, because sometimes you will have only one, and sometimes even up to 5, 7 or even 10 different layouts. So just mark the one you'd like to use, for example this one, and then untick the option you don't want to apply and tap on Done. As you can see, the Arabic language has been immediately applied, and before I'll show you how to remove the language, I would like to go back to the keyboard and show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added, because we've got some differences. The first one is right here, the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So after tapping on it, we can switch between the layouts. And the second difference, which is visible right now, is the spacebar. It's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So this is how to use the keyboard with 2 languages. Let's enter the settings, and now let me show you how to remove the language. If you will add the language of your choice, then here, just tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, mark the language you don't want to use, and tap on the trash bin icon. I'd like to remove Arabic, as I will use English later on. So just mark it and tap on this trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.